Hey, Big Bird. I know you're a good guy and all, but make sure you're hanging with the right people. I see you with that Mr. Snuffleupagus. It's just not right. I'll tell you what he's done. So, I was walking around in Sesame Street when he taps me on the shoulder. I turn around. You're not supposed to be here, are you? He says. You know what? I'm not, I respond. I turn away. I walk around, just trying to get out of there, but he turns around and he hits me with an axe right in the chest. Ow! What'd you do that for? I asked him. And then he says, guess what he says? He says, Axe Day. Big Bird, I can't believe you're hanging out with someone who celebrates Axe Day. Dude, I can't believe you right now. Big Bird, this isn't something to scoff about. He killed me. Big Bird, I am a ghost. Big Bird, look at me. I'm just floating here. Big Bird, come on, man. Dude, he killed me. No, this is entirely your fault too. You see, you enable him. You're his friend. Oh yes, Mr. Snuffleupagus, my best friend. That's what you sound like. So, and then you're like, that's just like, that leads him to believe he can do nothing wrong. Oh, all the adults don't see it, so I can just kill him. You can't just kill me, Mr. Snuffleupagus. Yeah, Big Bird, this is your fault, Big Bird. I hate you. I hate you, Big Bird. It just seems we're regressing in the story, so let me just get back to telling you. I'm sorry. I have no harsh feelings to you, Big Bird. Sorry. So, after he hit me with his stupid axe, or whatever, and he goes, Axe Day, or whatever he says, I don't even... It's just like... It's so messed up, but anyways. So, after he hits me with his axe, I'm just like sitting there bleeding out, right? It's, he hit me with an axe, on Axe Day nonetheless. So, like... I'm bleeding out. You see how this ended. I'm a ghost. I'm dead. So, you can kind of see where this leads. But, so after that, I'm like, man, can you just, like, give me a band-aid or something? And then he's like, look, Mr. Snuffleupagus, in all his wisdom, he goes, what's the magic word? What do you mean, what's the magic word? Dude, I'm dying. I'm bleeding. Big Bird. Crap is this? Sorry, I'm just listening to the music. Yeah, so I'm bleeding out. I'm trying to think of what the magic word could be. I don't know Sesame Street rules. How am I supposed to know that? I ask him, I says, what's... Dude, just get me the what's the magic word? He goes, figure it out, buddy. And that made me mad. So I stand up, I says, Alakazam. And then he doesn't give me the band-aid. I guessed it right. He says, correct! That's what he says. And then he just doesn't give me the band-aid. So I'm sorry. This is getting emotionally charged. I know, it's not a good argument. But it's just like, dude. You're like fostering that environment for him. Just like tell Mr. Snuffleupagus, hey man, maybe let's hold off on Axe Day this year. Maybe let's not kill people this year. On November 25th. What day is it? Okay, no. So anyways, I was making sure it wasn't Axe Day again. What else is there to say? I bleed out. He doesn't give me the band-aid. I don't think he went to get it. He just left me. He might have gone to the nurse's office. But then again, like, I don't know. That's not a thing he would do, right? The nurse can't see him. Why does nobody see Mr. Snuffleupagus? It's just, man. But anyways, I'm dead. So, that's where the story ends. Can't believe it's over, though. Oh my gosh. I see. It was never my life to live on Axe Day. But it was his. Big Bird, you're a genius. Goodbye.